Something I don't remember how to do. So I put a sprite in, but I want the sprite to hide until the very end. Do I
Mhm.
put it on the last sprite? How do I do that?
Go ahead and share your screen. Do you want to?
So you want it to hide until you don't want it. Well, you want it to show up at first, right? Because you
No,
have.
I want it to show up at the end.
Oh, okay. All right. So on the green flag clicked script, put hide so that it hides when the green flag is clicked.
Okay, give me a second.
And what is it? It's a different. It's not one of your letters. It's something else.
It's a sprite.
It's just a sprite.
So go to events.
Right. So add a green flag clicked event onto that sprite and then put under looks, grab hide and put hide so that it will hide when you click the green flag so you don't see it right away. And then I think so because you can either do it with message passing or timing. Timing wouldn't work because you've got all those sort of things clicked. Yeah, the only way that you could do this would be with a broadcast receive.
Right.
Okay, so if you know how to do that, so on the last letter of.
Is it
Do you want to share it so everyone knows what you're talking about, so we can use it to show everyone else?
Sure.
You
Sure,
do that?
sure. So if my last letter is E, so I'll have when the sprite clicked, I'll say that it moves 10 steps. It says hello, and it turns a little bit. Okay, so this would be your last letter. Then you're going to do events, and you're going to say broadcast to pick the broadcast. And you can name this. So you could say show, what's the sprite that you want to show?
Sonic?
What is it?
Sonic?
Sonic? Oh, oops. My keyboard types two N's a lot. Show Sonic. All right.
I'm sorry. And you said it was on broadcast. Okay, sorry. I'm doing it as you're saying. So
yeah. So you can see my screen, right? So on the last, because the broadcast message has to come from the last event that occurs. So I'm just going to I'll grab a balloon. So mine will be balloon instead of Sonic. So on balloon, so this is be your Sonic. I'm going to put one green flag clicked, and I'm going to put hide because I want it to hide until my event occurs. Then I'll come back to this event and I'll do when I receive show Sonic because there's my message that I just created. Then I'll do show. So let me just walk you through that process. So on my last letter, I did broadcast show Sonic. So it moves, it says, it turns, and then it sends this broadcast message of show Sonic, which in my case is a balloon. My balloon, when the green flag is clicked, is hidden because I don't want it to be seen. And then when it receives that message from my sprite E of show Sonic, it'll show up. So let's see, I'll show you how this should work. So green flag, it's hidden. I click on my E, it says hello, it moves, and there's my balloon. On your last letter, you have to have that broadcast and then whichever message. I mean, you can leave it at message 1, but I always like to name my messages because if you're using broadcast a lot, it's good to know what message you're broadcasting. So broadcast show Sonic, then go to Sonic, or in my case, balloon, and pull over when I receive show Sonic. So it's another event block.
I think it worked.
Okay. And then that shows.
Great.